already taught you about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. But still many students have doubt on the OF operation in multiplication. So today we are specifically going to do the sums on fraction of a fraction. Okay. So what is the what is the use of OF operation in fraction? Let us see. Suppose we consider half of 1 by 4. This means what? It is these two fractions are multiplied, means half times 1 by 4. It means what? Half times 1 by 4. So when we solve it, it will become half into 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 8. Once I told you diagrammatically about the OF operation, that is fraction of a collection. Okay, so this is just the word sums which we will deal with this OF operation. Okay, this is just a sum which we did, half of 1 by 4. Similarly, you can also do like 3 by 4 of 2 by 3. According to the question, suppose it is like 3 by 4 of 2 by 3. So what does this mean? This means again 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So here 3 and 3 can get cancel out. Okay, they can cancel out. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. It got cancelled out. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. This also cancelled out. So what we get? 1 by 2. Okay, so these are the fractions. These are the two examples on fraction of a fraction. Now we will do some more questions related to word sums on this topic. Okay. Look at this question here. Tanvi bought 7.5 kg of apples. Later she found that 1 by 5 of them are rotten. Find the weight of rotten apples and that of good ones. Okay, so first of all, the first sentence that you will write is, what is the total weight of the apples? Okay, so write down total weight of apples equal to 7.5 kg. This is mixed fraction. This is in mixed fraction. You need to convert it into improper fraction. Okay, so 7 twos are 14 plus 1 15. 15 by 2 kg. This is the improper form of writing 7.5 kg. Now what you have to do? You have to find how many apples are rotten. Okay. So fraction of apples rotten equal to 1 by 5. This is already given to you. Now what you have to find, what is the number of apple or amount of apple actually that is rotten. This is fraction. Okay, so amount of apple, therefore amount, or you can say weight. You have already used weight, so here also you use weight. Weight of apples rotten equal to weight of apples that is rotten is equal to what? 1 by 5 of 15 by 2 kg. That is equal to 1 by 5 into 15 by 2. 5 3s are 15. So that is equal to 3 by 2 kg. Okay, so these many apples, this weight of apples are rotten. Now the question is, find the weight of rotten apples and that of good ones. Now you will write weight of apples that are good. Weight of apples in good condition. In good condition is what? We have to take out the difference between the total weight and the apples rotten. That is 15 by 2 kg minus 3 by 2 kg. Since both are like fractions, so only we have to subtract the numerators. You will get 15 minus 3 by 2 kg equal to 12 by 2 kg. Now you see 2 and 12 both are dividing each other. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So answer is 6 kg. Okay, so this is the final answer. So I hope everybody understood this. First of all, you have to take out the weight of apples that are rotten. That is 1 by 5 of them. Here them means 7.5 kg, which is the total weight of the apples. 1 by 5 of 15 by 2. 7.5 kg in improper form is 15 by 2. Is equal to 1 by 5 into 15 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2 kg. Now weight of apples in good condition is difference of total weight and 3 by 2, or we can say subtract 3 by 2 from 15 by 2. So this will give us 6 kg as the answer. Okay. Okay, so look at this question here. A parking lot can hold 96 cars at a time. At a certain instant, it was found that 7 by 8 of the parking lot was occupied. How many more cars it can accommodate at that time? Okay, this is the question. So, first of all, first sentence you try to understand what it is trying to tell. In the parking lot, maximum how many cars can be accommodated. So, we have written the first sentence here. Number of cars the parking lot can accommodate at a time equal to 96 cars. Is it okay? Now we come to the second sentence. Second sentence, what it is telling? At a certain instant, it was found that 7 by 8 of the parking lot was occupied. So what you will write? Number of cars parked at that time. How many it is? Number of cars parked. It is parked at that time. How many it is? 7 by 8 of 96. Okay, so that is equal to 7 by 8 into 96. Now you can see that 8 and 96 can easily cut itself. 8 ones are 8 and 8 ones are 8, 2 is 16. So 12 8s are 96. So what we will get? 7 into 12 is 84. So at that time 84 cars were accommodated in the parking lot. Now the question is how many more cars it can accommodate at that time. Okay, so more number of cars it can accommodate or instead of it you can also write parking lot. Parking lot can accommodate equal to, we have to subtract, that is 96 minus 84 equal to 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus 8 1. So 12 cars. Okay, so these many more cars you can place it inside the parking lot. Okay, thank you very much. Now like we did these two questions, similar type of questions are there in the exercise which is given to you. Please solve these questions. Okay, and whatever doubt is there, we will clear it tomorrow in the online class. Okay.